Okay, so for Memorial Day, Harbor Freight had a deal. So I got this Duramaster 4.5-inch angle grinder, 4.3 amp ball bearing mount, 10,000 RPM for fast stock removal. I got this for $9.99. It's not for heavy duty industrial use. After talking with them, and that's what you would expect for $9.99. But it's something good to have. Sharpen out the lawnmower blades if you want, or to grind something out. And I did buy also because I've been actually wanting angle grinders, so it worked out. Cut-off wheel, as you can see, and the grinder, a little bit thicker, dirty grit, and 13,300 max RPM. Metal. 13,300 max RPM. So I got a good deal on this, and then of course I got this light. It's a freebie with their coupon. 3 LEDs on the front here, and basically the light and highly reflective sides on that. However, I actually have the older model that they have. Same design, more LEDs on this. So it's a bit older, but and this one has new batteries. This is running out of battery power, but seems pretty good. This seems to show more light right now. Again, this doesn't have enough battery, and it seems more directional compared to this with the highly reflective surface. As you can see, this seems to be more white, so probably more visibility, I guess, with that highly reflective surface. And I finally decided to just recable the lining on this, so I don't have to use battery packs. Can't really see it with the actually. Oh, let's use a new one. Yeah, you can't. So I'm not using the battery on this, but highly using the power cord. So angle grinder feels pretty heavy, sturdy. Nice solid heavy duty sturdy feel. Oops. Handle, branch, and instruction manual. But this does have a nice solid hefty grip. Handle feels really smooth though. Real slippery actually. Oh, I think I'm gonna return this. Look at that. Return this and get a different model with this part. It's broken off.